Welcome to the Two Italian Sisters Kitchen. Today we're going to be making polenta and pitalone. Polenta is soft and pitalone is a fried cornmeal. This is the cornmeal, about 1 cup, a little bit more than that. We need some water, three parts water, 1 part cornmeal. So this is 3 cups of water, 1 cup of cornmeal. Put a little butter in, about 2 tablespoons, and a teaspoonful of salt. We're going to be going over to the stove right now to heat up the water and boil it first. Now the water is boiling, and we have 3 cups of water and this 1 cup of polenta, and slowly you pour it in so that it stays without any lumps, a little bit at a time, and we are going to put our ingredients of salt in here too, after this is in here incorporated into the water. Stirring it around. No lumps compared to if you just dumped it all at once. It's getting thick right now, and you turn down the heat and you add the salt, a teaspoon of salt. And then you will add the butter, about 2 tablespoons of butter, and continue stirring for about 10 minutes. Now we have switched to a wooden spoon because it's getting quite thick. And you just keep on stirring until about 10 minutes later it will be done. Now I'm going to be scooping just a little bit out on a plate of this soft cornmeal, which is polenta. And we're going to add some tomato sauce on the top. You use polenta as you would pasta. Now I will pour a little bit of the tomato sauce on the top, some homemade tomato sauce, and a little bit of cheese. We have some fennel on the side to make a nice scent. And let's try this delicious polenta. Looks perfect. Squisito. We are now going to be making the pitalone, and this is how you do it. You put some of the polenta on a parchment paper or wax paper on top of a cookie sheet, and then cool it off in the refrigerator for a little while so that it becomes harder, and then we're going to fry it. I'm cutting the cool polenta up right now into pieces so that we can fry it. And we'll take it up with a spatula and put it in our fry pan. You can hear the sizzle of the polenta. Put a few pieces in. This has been frying in our cast iron skillet for about 2 minutes, and it gets to be golden. After 2 minutes of frying on each side, you take it out of the pan, and they're nice and crispy. I'm plating the pitalone now, and add a little bit of pepper, cracked pepper. You could also dip it in some tomato sauce, put a little cheese on top if you'd like. You can cut it with a knife. Nice and crispy it is. Still hot from the pan, actually. Squisito.